Bees are already making a little bit of honey. You never want to shake this frame either. You're better off to lay it down on its side and just smoke the bees off. You don't want to harm any of these. You'll not get them all to leave. You can get a vast majority of them to leave so that you're able to see your queen cells. I'm going to sit that frame right here on the ground for a second. Okay folks, you're going to want to pick up some of these cell protectors. I think I got these from Man Lake. You can get a great big old bag of them for less than 10 bucks. Very, very wise choice. Now here's what they look like. Basically what they are is a protector of the queen cell. You're going to take your queen cell, you're going to stick it down inside the protector, and what that's going to do is make it so that nobody can chew the sides of the cell out. Nobody can try and kill this unemerged queen. The only way the queen can be attacked is from the bottom, in which case that's going to release her. So cell protectors, very good investment. Once you've put this much work into your queen cells, you surely don't want it to go downhill once you insert it into your queenless nuke. And most of the times you don't have a problem once you install the cell, but you never know. So why take the chance? Use the cell protector, and you can see it's got these little spikes on the side. That's to stick into the comb when you press the frames against it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to run around and insert one of these queen cells into all of the splits that we made yesterday. By this point, it's been 24 hours. They've now realized we don't have a queen, and we also don't have any young enough brood to raise any. So that's where we come into place. Okay, folks, these are my splits from yesterday. Don't look real good from the camera, but there's a bunch of bees down in there. What I'm going to do is find the frame with the most bees covering brood, which seems to be right here in the middle, and we're just going to put this cell. We're going to open these frames up a little bit. What I like to do actually is get it down below the wood so that it actually sticks in the comb and closes up a little bit tighter. So that extra gap for a couple of days won't be a problem because they're not weak or strong enough to start drawing a bunch of burr comb. And close that one up, move on to the next one. Okay, look for the frame with the brood, all the bees. Seems to be right here. And drop this down in here, below the top board on the frame so that it sticks in the comb. And the reason I say that is it just closes up the frames a little bit tighter if you've got it in the comb. Now you don't want to squeeze it to the point that the bees don't know there's a queen in there because they can't smell her. That actually needs another frame, but I'm not going to worry about that today. It'll be tomorrow's work or next week's mistake. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Don't make it any harder than it needs to be. Get the queen cell in there and the cell protector. put it between two frames with brood. That way the bees are aware that it's there and can help chew her out. Push the frames back together, close it up. Forget about it for a couple of days. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, throw me a thumbs up. If you haven't taken time to subscribe, please do so down below, and make sure you click on the bell. That way when I release new videos, you get notified. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you would like to support me, please check the description and shop my affiliate links. Much appreciated.